video's about, one-way streets. Recognise them, so what sort of problems you're going to get on them. I'm hoping it helps you to spot them. If it does, give it the thumbs up. So we're just going to move off. We're in Bletchley in Milton Keynes. And then ahead of us we've got a crossroads straight away, and then beyond the crossroads is a one-way street. Now you can recognise a one-way street sign by the blue sign with the white arrow on. But what catches out learner drivers is the fact that the amount of traffic surrounding the sign, they get distracted by the traffic, by watching the traffic. So here's the crossroads, so we'll just stop. Ahead of us, you can see on the left and right of that road is a one-way street sign, the blue one with the white arrow, the rectangle shape. It's on posts. Now also, what gives it away is the arrow on the ground. Now we're going to do a right turn. Your brain's going to say to you, go to the left, mirrors to the right, signal right. See the arrows on the ground? One-way street, you're in the right lane. You're going left, you're in the left lane. That's quite a common fault people do. Now if you see on the left here, we can't go left because there's no entry. Just about to see the sign. And then ahead of us, we've got another sign saying follow the road round to the right. Goes round to the right. Ahead of us on the left, no entry, so it must be a one-way street at that point. Car's chancing it a bit, and as soon as we turn, we've got the one-way street sign just on the post on the left there, and you can see the arrows on the ground. If you want to go ahead, you're in the left, or if you want to go right, you're in the right. We're going to go left at this point, so we're just going to go left here, so it's important. And you've also got on the left there the two-way traffic sign warning you that you're entering a two-way zone, so the one-way street's ended. So it's quite important you spot these little things. If you don't, you're going to come unstuck. So all I'm doing is driving round. This is in Bletchley, this bit. I'm going to go left at the roundabout. That'll bring us back round. Now, you might find it difficult to see here, but just at the entrance of this car park on the left, there's a one-way street sign on the post. I'll just let these people out because it's easy for me at that point. You can just about see it. We're going left. But as soon as you enter the car park, it's one-way street zone, 20 zone at the same time. Arrow on the ground saying ahead only. Arrows give it away. So look for all sorts of signs that can help you. But like I say, because they always put them in busy areas, so it tends to be distractions of the traffic. Got to go left, it's telling us. It's a one-way system. Give waypoints, you check to your right, make sure it's definitely clear. I'm going left here. And I'm on a one-way street again, so I'm going to go right this time at the crossroads. So I'm checking my mirrors, signalling, still a one-way, so I've got to be in the right lane. Your brain's going to say go to the left. We've got the two-way traffic sign and the give way line on the bottom, so we're slowing down to give way and checking. Don't be surprised if you see people going up the wrong way on the one-way street. Doesn't happen often, but when it does, it catches you out. Just if it happens to you and they're coming towards you, just slow down and stop. Let them go around you, flag them down, tell them they did it wrong. So we're going in here. As we're turning, it's a one-way street again. There's your sign again on the left post. We're going to go left this time. So we're going to be in the left lane. And you can see the arrows on the ground again. Right goes right, left goes left. Checking right, left, right. It's definitely clear, so I'm going to go out. Then I'm going to do a right turn here. Now, as I do a right turn into here, this is sort of one you get in lots of cities. Narrow roads, one-way street signs straight away. It's easy to miss. So there should be nothing coming towards us. You can see again on the post on the side, right and left, one-way street signs. And then you've got ahead of us on the right, triangle warning you, two-way traffic. So we're going to do a right turn here. So we'll come back to my left a bit. See that car there? It didn't stop. He waved, which is nice of him to wave, but really he should have stopped. Now it's quite interesting because we're going to come back to that junction in a minute. This is one of the junctions that people fail on the test, and I'll explain why in a minute. So we go right down here. So we turn right, one-way street signs again. You can see them on the right and left, so they're there. You've got to look for them, you know, and then look ahead, look for what's happening with the traffic. At the end of here, we're going to go left, one-way street. At the end of the road, left turn. So I'm slowing down, checking. What's that car doing? Oh, he's stopped on WL lines. Gotta be a taxi. Yeah, it's a taxi. I think they've got their own rules sometimes, then. So I've got to follow the road round. So I'm kind of doing a bit of a figure of eight here, and back on the one-way street at this point as I turn. And there's a bit of traffic. So you don't have to rush. The guy on the right, is he going to step out? He's looking. You know, so you got to keep your wits about you on these little roads. And we're just going to follow the road round to the left here. And then we'll come to a roundabout, we're going to go ahead, and then we're going to do a left turn. We're going to go back into one-way system, which will be interesting because I'm taking to this road that car pulled out on us, the one who waved. Do you remember him? So there's a couple on the left. So they're watching me, so I'm fine. I'm checking to my right, and I'm going to carry on going through. Then I'm going to do a left turn here. So I'm just letting them know. Going a bit wider because of the van. And then I'm going to do a right turn at the end. I'm checking. Then I'm going to do a left turn coming up. So it's a funny sort of left turn, this one. I'm having to go wide for it. People wonder why I'm going wide, because of the angle of the junction. Otherwise, my back wheel's going to go right on the curb. See how wide and I turn into it better. Where if I stay close to the curb, I'd no chance. Now, this is this junction ahead of us with the white houses in the end. There's a sign on the left saying no left turn. It's even on the right. Now, the guy come out of it, he's took a really bit of a dangerous risk. He's assumed it's going to be fairly quiet. Another car there, not slowing down enough. So we're going to go right, because it's saying you can't go left, but you can't see. So you've got to stop. It's a one-way street, and then you pull out slowly, checking, and the guy just flew out, didn't he? That learner there cut the corner a bit too much for their own good. That's all I can do, and slow ourselves down, let it get back in. Anyway, so that was a quick route on the one-way system. I hope you liked it, and if you're new to my channel, just click on the subscribe button and feel free to share the videos. Safe driving and good luck with your driving lessons.